Meron na ba? Good morning. Hello. Ayan. Yung naririnig ako, mag-comment kayo doon sa comment section. Ayan, good morning. So, meron na akong 4 students. Gabriel, Shaina, Darlene, Vince, Jubel. Hello, good morning sa inyo. Send ko muna to sa group chat natin. And si Jasmine, para makita din nila. Ayan. Good morning. Meron na akong 12 students. Ayan. Naririnig nyo ba ako loud and clear o mahina? Good morning kay Jasmine, kay Vince, kay Divine, and kay Paltap. Ayan, good morning sa inyo. Ayan. Mahina ba ng konti? Yan. Eto, medyo malakas na ba? Let's wait for the others. Yan. So, recorded ito kasi nga through live para pwede nyong mabalikan yung mapapag-aralan natin. Unlike kapag naka-Zoom or naka-Google Meet, pag may gusto kayong balikan, hindi natin mababalikan kasi hindi naman siya recorded. Ayan, good morning kay Brian, kay Sophia, kay Erinea. Ayan. Good morning, Alfred. Ayan. Good morning sa inyo. Doon sa mga walang account, you can use the account of your parents. Malabo ba yung nakikita ninyo? Kapag malabo, pindutin nyo yung 3 tuldok sa taas, sa kanan sa taas. And then, click nyo yung quality, yung advance, para lumiwanag. Ayan. Doon sa iba po, kapag malabo, pipindutin nyo lang yung 3 tuldok sa upper right corner. Tapos, click nyo yung quality. Yan. Okay? So, since meron tayong chat box or chat button, dito nyo po ilalagay yung mga sagot niyo dun sa questions. Okay? Ayan. So, yung iba, hindi pa kasi sila familiar kung paano ito gamitin. Yan. Yan. Kasi, di ba, kapag sa Zoom, hindi ka agad nakikita yung sa chat box or sa comment section. So, kaya ito yung ginagamit ko. Good morning kay Cherry May, kay Bernardino, kay John Kevin, kay Ronel, and kay Frias. Ayan, good morning sa inyo. So, meron na akong 24 students. Shout out sa inyo. Okay, let us start now. Hello kay Jimenez and kay Queer, Erica Jane. Ayan. Good morning. Let us start. So, yung iba, habol na lang sila. Wait lang, isend ko to sa group chat natin para habol na lang sila. Ayan. Okay? Let's start our lesson now. So, kung mapapansin nyo, dun sa may pag-roar si Shoko. Kita mo na wrong send ka, nabasa ko tuloy. Again, kung mapapansin nyo doon sa sinend ko na Facebook group, ang daming lessons, right? Kasi lahat yon ay lesson lang for the first week. Ibig sabihin, ngayong week lang siya. Next week, iba na naman kaagad. Kaya, let's start now our lesson. So, for the representation of sets, we have the set notation, and we can do listing method is also for the set builder method. For example, in here, in a roster method, as you observe, the elements are already given. For example, in number 1, set A has the elements 1, 2, and 3. Hello, wag puro kayo shout out dyan. Makinig kayo. Again, kapag roster method, ang nakalagay ay yung mga elements. Ano-ano yung mga elements in set A? We have 1, 2, and 3. Ngayon, paano naman natin siya isusulat through set builder method? So, kung mapapansin nyo, ang numbers lang natin ay 3. Well, if we can describe this, there are many possible ways. And this is one of those ways. The set of all x such that x is a positive number less than 4. Diba? At ano-ano yung mga positive numbers na less than 4? E di yung 1, 2, and 3. So, kung makikita nyo, ang difference ng dalawa, kapag roster, nakalista na yung mga elements. Kapag set builder, dinidescribe yung mga elements. Nakuha po ba? Pag na-gets, sabihin nyo, gets na gets. Ay, hindi pala sasabihin. I-chat. Next one. What if the given is the set builder? So, ang nauna naman ay yung set builder. And then, you have to identify the elements. In number 2, the given is the set of all x such that x is an even number less than 10. Sige nga kung na-gets, what are those even numbers less than 10? Type your answers. Yung mauna may mananalo mamaya. Yung mananalo ng piso na GCash. Ayan, your answers are all correct. 2, 4, 6, and 8. So if we list that, set B has the elements 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay, very good. Next, for example in here, listing of elements. Okay, we have to answer numbers 1, 2, and 3. In number 1, set A are the consonants from the word education. Tama lahat yung sagot ninyo, 2, 4, 6, 8. Pero, mali yung mga walang comma. Diba? Dapat may comma. 2, 4, 6, 8. Next. Eto, let's identify. Do you know the consonants? What are the consonants in the word education? Consonants. Ano po? Okay. Let us try if your answer is correct. Wait lang. I will use my pen. I have a I don't have an apple, but I have a pen. Alam niyo yon yung kanta. I have an apple. I have a pen. Apple pen. Char lang. So, let's write our answers. Since we're only to find the consonants, then we will just write the consonant or the letters D. Susulat natin siya sa maayos na paraan. Set A has the elements. So, again, use capital letter and then use braces. So, ano yun? We have D, comma, C, comma, T, comma, and then N. Ayan. Questions? Gets po? Gets na gets? How about in number 2? Odd numbers less than 10. What are those odd numbers less than 10? Odd numbers less than 10. Wala ba? Mga odd. Ano-ano kaya yung mga odd? Ayun, tama si Patricio. The odd numbers that are less than 10 are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Ayan, very good kayo dyan. Late ba yung ano? Parang late yung sa YouTube. Kasi nasulat ko na, hindi pa siya nag-a-appear. O, ayan. Ngayon pa lang siya nag-appear. Okay. Next, in number 3. Number 3. The set of all x such that x is greater than 4 but less than or equal to 8. Greater than 4 but less than or equal to 8. Ano-ano kaya yon? Tandaan na may nakalagay less than or equal to. Ayan. So, if we write our answer, again, you have to use capital letter, then there must be braces. So, your answers are all correct. 5, 6, 7, and then 8. 8 is included because from the given, it is less than or equal to 8. Kasama yung 8. Next, cardinality of sets. So, when we say cardinality of sets, it is the number of elements or members in a given set. Ibig sabihin, yun ay kung ilan yung mga elements sa specific na set. Okay? So, again, ang tawag natin doon ay cardinality. Again, when you are writing your answers and when you are listing the elements, dapat po may comma, may kuwit. Kasi kapag walang kuwit, magiging iba na yung magiging sagot nyo. Halimbawa, yung kanina. Halimbawa, walang kuwit. Magiging 5,678. So, you have to separate it. Okay? Oops. May bagong sali. Good morning, Lady Zuri. Good morning, JP. Ayan. Good morning, Kenji. Good morning, Divine. Okay, next. Cardinality of sets. Okay, in letter A, find the cardinality of the following sets. Again, it is the total number of all the elements in a given set. So, what is the cardinality of set Y? Ilan po? Good morning. Then, JP. Hello. What is the cardinality? Again, kapag cardinality, bibilangin mo yung mga elements. Ilan lahat yung elements? Okay, correct. The cardinality of set Y is 4. Your answers are correct. Now, how are you going to write it? Wait lang. Ayan. So, when you write it, the cardinality of set Y is equal to 4. Yan. How about in set Z? Z ba o Z? Z. Z. What is the cardinality of this? What is the cardinality? Loading ako. Ayan, that's correct. Dali lang, di ba? Okay. Sino yung may tanong? Wala? Gets ba? Gets na gets? Kapag gets na gets, sabihin nyo, ow. Char lang. Okay, next naman. Ang galing Masunurin may pag-out talaga. Kamusta naman? Kamusta naman yung experience ng YouTube Live? Happy ba kayo? So, what do you prefer? Zoom? Siguro mag-Zoom tayo or Google Meet kapag Monday. Para nakikita ko kayo. Diba, diba? Okay, next. Okay, very good. Next. This is what we have discussed last Monday. We have to find out if the given sets are equal or equivalent from what we have studied before. Malupit ba? Jimenez tuloy. Jimenez pala. Kasi may nabasa ako JP, kaya nabasa ko tuloy Jimenez. Okay, again, from what we have studied before, what's the difference between equal saka equivalent? Equal, they have the same elements. Pareho ang mga elements. Pero kapag equivalent, pareho lang yung bilang or dami. Okay? So, I want you to answer 1, 2, and 3. Hindi pwedeng isa lang yung sagot. Lagay nyo number 1, number 2, number 3. Is it equal or equivalent? Wow, may pag-cute pa. Again, 1, 2, 3 dapat ang sagot. Equal, same elements. Equivalent, same number of elements. Sunod-sunod yung sagot. Parang ganito. 1, 1, 2, 3. I-type nyo na po kaagad lahat ng sagot. Again, type nyo na kaagad yung sagot sa number 1, 2, and 3. Ay. Yan, 3. Ba't number 1 lang yung mga sagot nyo? Dapat sunod-sunod. Ayan. Katulad ng sagot ni Frias. Sunod-sunod. Ganun. Equal, pareho. Kapag equivalent, pareho yung bilang or dami. So, let's answer number 1. This is an equal set. Bakit equal? Kasi nga, pareho. Ano-ano yung mga elements? Letter P, letter E, and then letter N. So, pareho sila. That's why it's equal. For number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, they have the same number of elements. So, this is an equivalent set. And then, for number 3, okay, letter R, letter E, letter A, and then letter D. So, as you observe, they have the same elements. That's why it's equal. So, our answers will be equal, equivalent, and then equal. Question. So, ano masasabi nyo sa math? Hello? Mahirap ba? Okay. Okay, next. Fill in each blank with belongs to or does not belongs to. Ibig sabihin, we have to find out kung kabilang ba siya, kaparte ba siya, kasama ba siya, kapamilya ba siya ng set na yon. For example, in set A are the even numbers between 0 and 10. Ayun yung basehan. So, ano-ano yung mga numbers, ano-ano yung mga numbers na yon, even numbers, between 0 and 10. Ilista muna natin. Bago natin sagutan yung 1, 2, 3, 4, we have to identify what are the elements in set A and what are the elements in set B. Kung ang given daw ay even numbers between 0 and 10, ano-ano yung mga numbers na yun? Okay, that's correct. Jimenez again, and Rivera. Set A has the following elements: 2, 4, 6, 8. How about in set B? Letters of the alphabet between C and J. Ano po? C and J. Ano yung mga letters na yon? Identify them. Ano yan? Bakit may tatlong pusa? Pusa ba yan o daga? A and G. The question is, find the letters from the alphabet between C and J. What are those? Okay, so since it's between, then hindi kasama yung letter C. So, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Kailangan kumakanta. Yan. So, this will be the elements on set B. So, in number 1, let's identify yung to daw ba ay makikita sa A? Yes or no? Parang yung sa kanta ni Taylor Swift, You Belong With Me. Ganun. Okay. Ay, galing ah. 4 na yung sagot. So, for number 1, 2 belongs to A. And then, number 2 does not belong. Yan. Dapat siguro red yung ginamit ko. Ang dami ko kasing chalk dito. Yan. Para mas kita. For number 3, D belongs. Kasama siya. So, yan. And then, for number 4, yung X belongs ba or does not belong? The answer is does not belong. Ayan. Yan. Ganun lang. So, do you have questions? So, ano pang masasabi niyo sa math? A-attend ba kayo palagi ng math? Ayan. So, para palaging madami akong kausap, you have to attend our class. Yan. Okay? Very good. Since wala nang question, next lesson. Operations on sets. So, find the union of the following sets. Stress ba? Stress daw yung math. Sino yung na-stress? Mas stress kapag module lang. Matatanong mo ba yung module? Di ba hindi? Makakausap mo ba yung module? Di ba hindi? So, mas maganda yung meron kang teacher na magtuturo sa'yo. Tama? Wait lang. Bakit intersection na kaagad yan? Union to. Let's start. Tama na yung commercial. Aral muna ulit. Mamaya na yung Gcash na piso. Find the union of the following sets. So when we say union, union. Union means you're going to combine all the elements. Sa Tagalog, pagsasamahin mo yung mga elements. Halimbawa, sa real life, kapag gumagawa ka ng kape, hindi ka pala gumagawa ng kape. Nagtitimpla ka ng kape. So, ano-ano yung mga paghahaluin mo? Yung kutsara? Char lang. So, ano yung paghahaluin mo para makapagtimpla ng kape? Of course, yung kape, saka yung asukal. Ano pa? Pag nilagyan mo ng creamer, so magiging kape, asukal, saka yung creamer. Right? So, in here, basta kapag yun, pagsasamahin lang natin yung mga elements. So, for example, in number 1, A union B. So, combine the elements in A and in B. What will be the answer? Ay, bawal yan, Bautista. Okay, so when we combine the elements in A and in B, ayan, magseryoso na nga tayo. What will be the elements? So we have, let's use black. Kasi kulay yellow yung background. Diba black and yellow? So, the elements in A and in B, we have 1, we have 2, and then 3, and then we have 4, and next we have 5, at saka the last element will be 8. Yan. So, this is how we combine the elements. So, mas mabuti na kapag numbers ay naka-arrange. Okay? Pero depende pa rin yun sa mga given na choices. Okay? Question. Next, in number 2. C union D. So, just simply combine the element. Pero, kapag klase. Bawal ang ML sa oras ng klase. Mamaya na lang. Bawal yon. B union C union D. As you observe, we have to combine the elements of those 3 sets. Wala namang pinagkaiba eh. Pagsamahin mo lang sila, yun pa rin yun. So, what will be the answer in number 3? Offline ba? Hindi naman na. Hello? Oh, nakasend nga ako ng hello eh. Ako pala yung login. So, the answer in here will be 2, 3, 4, 8, and then 9. Hala. Nag-offline. Baka dahil kay converge. Offline pa rin. Hello? Hello? Bumalik na? Ayan. Nag-loading lang. Bumalik lang sa base para mag-reload. Okay. So, do you have questions about union of sets? Again, kapag union, union. Just simply combine the elements. Okay? Next, find the intersection of sets. So, when we say intersection of sets, you just have to find what is common. Ano yung pareho? Ano yung meron siya na meron siya? Ano yung meron siya na meron siya? For example, in number 1, find the intersection between A and D. Very good. Bagal talaga ang internet connection kasi marami pang nag-online class. Ang dami pang umattend ng class. Again, kapag malabo, click nyo lang yung tatlong tuldok para lumiwanag. Yan. So again, in intersection of sets, find what is common. Ano yung pareho na meron sila? Ano yung meron sa A na meron sa D? Okay, very good. So, we have 3 saka 5. So, when you write your answer, again huwag kayong masasanay na elements lang. Kailangan may braces, ilista yung elements, pero dapat may comma. Kasi pag nasanay kayo, mamamali. Kasi hindi siya yung tamang paraan ng pagsulat. Okay? Sige nga, in number 2. What do you think is the intersection between C and B? Ano ang meron sa C na meron sa B? Okay, that's correct. The answer is A. Wait lang, before we proceed to number 3, again bago natin sagutan yung number 3, paano kung ganito yung given? A intersect B. O kaya naman, what is the intersection between A and B? Paano kapag ganito yung given? Meron bang intersection? Meron ba? Meron o wala? Naghang ba uli? Meron bang elements na pareho sa A and B? Wala. So, kapag wala, then, the answer will be an empty set. Yan, empty set. So, our symbol for empty set can be this. O kaya naman, this. O kaya naman this. This or this. Itong dalawang to. It means empty. Walang laman. Okay? So, tandaan nyo yung symbol na yan. That is for empty set. Okay? Now, let's try to answer number 3. So, let me erase this first. So, meron akong eraser. Sayang, kung may klase sana tayo sa school, edi kayo sana yung totoong nag-erase nito. Okay, let's try to answer number 3. As you observe in number 3, it's not just about intersection. Meron pa tayong union. So, parang katulad lang din kapag PEMDAS, unahin nyo muna yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, which means you have to find the union of A and B. Pagsamahin mo muna yung A and B bago mo kunin yung intersection niya sa C. So, let's do that. Wait lang. Gawin natin tong scratch. Okay, sulat natin na scratch. So, kunin muna yung intersection ng A at B. So, the intersection of A and B will be what? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Ayan. Ulitin, pagsamahin muna yung A and B. Ayan yon. And then, let's write the elements of set C, 8 and 9. So, kunin na natin yung intersection. Ano yung meron sa A union B na meron din sa C? Ano yung meron dito na meron dito? Again, what is the element present in the union of A and B and that is also present in set C? The answer is 8. So, yun yung magiging sagot. Wait, I'll use my black ball pen. So, ang sagot sa number 3 ay 8. Question. Gets po ba? Gets na gets? Gets or gets na gets? Late yung live. Gets po. Next na tayo. Complement of a set. Hello? Yan. Okay, next. Find the complement of the given set. So, again yung kanina, union, pagsasamahin. Intersection, kukunin yung pareho. Kapag complement, ito yung tatandaan mo. Ano ang nasa U na wala sa A? O kaya naman, ano ang nasa U na wala sa B? Ano ang nasa U na wala sa C? So, that is how we get complement of a set. For example, in number 1, find the complement of A. U means universal set. So, ibig sabihin, ang pagbabatayan mo ay yung universal set. Ano yung nasa universal set na wala sa A? What's your answer? Ano ang nasa universal set na wala sa A? Ay, lahat ba? Hindi. Tingnan nyo yung mga elements. Ang mga elements sa universal set ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ano ang nasa U? Ano yung nandito sa universal set na wala sa A? Okay, very good. So, tatanggalin mo yung 1, yung 3, saka yung 5. So, the answer will be 1, 2, ay, hindi pala kasama yung 1. Wait, erase. Ayan. So, the answer will be 2, 4, yun o, tatanggalin yung 1, tatanggalin yung 3, tatanggalin yung 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next, what is the complement of B? Ano yung nasa U na wala sa B? Okay, so tatanggalin mo naman yung 2, 4, and 8. So the answer will be 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10. Very good. And then, for the last one, what is the complement of C? Oo nga, late talaga yun sa live. Kaya, ayun, may sagot na. Okay, so for number C, the answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 10. Questions. Naunawaan po ba? Hello? 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 Okay, very good. Next! Wait lang. Paano kung ganito? Meron pa tayong 7 minutes. Wait lang ah. Let's erase. For example, with this one. Halimbawa, ganito yung given. A, union C, and then complement. So, as you observe, we have two operations. So, in here, just like what we did a while ago, you have to perform what's inside the parentheses. So, you have to find the union of A and C before you get the complement. So, again, kunin mo na yung union ng A at C. What is the union of A and C? 1, 3, 5, 8, 9. So, let's write 1, 3, 5, 8, and then 9. So, after you get the union of it, kukunin mo na yung complement. So, magbabase ka na uli dun sa universal set. So, what will be the answer? Yan, kukunin mo pa yung complement. So, from 1, 3, 5, 8, and 9, ano po ang magiging sagot? Type your answers. Nag-zoom. Okay? So, the answer will be, okay, ayan o, titingnan natin. 1, may 1, kaya 2. May 3, kaya 4. May 5, kaya 6, 7, and then 10. So, ayan lang. And, for the last one, find the difference of the given sets. So, ito, you're going to subtract. For example, the elements in A are R, O, Y, G, B, I, and then V. Well, the elements in B are R, Y, and B. Now, we have to find the difference of A and B. So, how are we going to do that? So, let's use this as our scratch. Let's find A minus B. The elements in A are R, O, Y, G, B, I, and V. Well, the elements in B are R, Y, and B. To find A minus B, this will be the elements in A without the elements in B. Ulitin ko, ito ay ang mga elements na nasa A na wala sa B. What are those? So, tatanggalin natin. R, Y, B. So, ano yung natira? Yun yung magiging sagot. So, let's write now the answer. Okay? Let's use the black. So, we have O, G, I, and then V. Ganun. Next, what if B minus A naman? So, let's write again the given. B minus A. So, the letters in here or the elements in here are R, Y, and B. Well, the elements in A are R, O, Y, G, B, I, V. So these are the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So to get B minus A, these are the elements in B that is not in A. So B naman. So let's cancel similar elements. So R, Y, B. Ayan. So meron bang natira sa set B? O wala? Meron ba? At dahil walang natira, our answer will be diba, from what we have studied, if there are no elements, then the answer will be an empty set. Ganyan. O kaya ito. Ayan. Empty set. And that's it. Ayun lang po. I hope you learn. Sakto, 10:59. So, that's all for today. Thank you, grade 7, mga Diyos. Sakto, 11. Natapos natin yung lesson. Thank you. Thank you for joining our class. Ayan, yung mga gutom na pwede nang kumain. So again, that's all for today. Bye. 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 Hindi ko pala naanin kung sinina natin ng piso na Gcash. Next time na lang. Bye. Thank you. Ba, may gusto maglaro. Magaling akong magpatalo. Bye. Welcome. Shout out sa inyo dyan, sa mga nagpapa-shout out. So, paano nga ba i-off tong light? Rock and roll. Ang mute? Ano yung mute? So, paano ba ito i-shut down? Escape ata. Nag-home na tuloy. Mag-out na kayo kasi hindi ko siya, paano ba ito? Pinag-aaralan ko pa.